Hey everyone, Jesse from Sicard RV. Today I'm going to show you the brand new 2021 Winnebago Solis 59P. On the exterior of the coach, we have some cool features. We have the nice LED patio light, the pop top. This is the most popular feature on the Solis. So you have an extra bed up top. We'll get more into that on the inside. And as we go to the rear of the coach, we have the rear doors that open up all the way to the side. And at the back of the coach, we have our safety kit, our water hookups, as well as our outdoor shower. If you want to rinse a dog off or anything outside your feet, you can do that easily from the back. The Winnebago Solis comes on the ProMaster chassis by Chrysler. Features two swiveling front cabin chairs. Let's have a quick look at the pop top, where you can see there's plenty of room to sleep two adults. On the interior of the Winnebago Solis, we have lots of overhead storage, as well as a nice open cabinet here. Our electrical and our inverter system, water heater, everything is done through this area. We have the 4-seater dinette, 2 here plus 2 in the swivel chairs from the front cab. To the kitchen area, we have our refrigerator at the walkway on your way in, which is easier to access. 2-burner propane stovetop. Stainless steel sink with a stainless steel faucet. Lots of drawers and more cabinet storage here. We have our wet bath with the half swivel door, making it easier to get in and out of. You can also use it as a closet if you want. Now, in the back, we have our sofa that also folds into a bed, as well as lots of overhead cabinet area. It's pretty easy to fold into a bed. You just pick up from the front, and that's it. Thank you for joining us on the tour of the brand new 2021 Winnebago Solis. If you have any questions, please email us at sales@sicardrv.com.